What? What happened? He's in the bathroom? And did you get him? Why not? The monster was eating the door? Oh my god. Go. What are we gonna do? Okay, what are we gonna do? How are we gonna get the monster? We need the map. Where's the map? We need pixie dust to fly? Where are we gonna get that? Hey, we can't let him eat us. What are we gonna do? Roar like a lion? Okay, I'm coming. Let's do this.
His leg was melting, and his melting, his arm melting, and his eyes melting, and his
It's so cute. No, you're gonna get the monster. You got your super divas. You got this. I'm right here. What are we gonna do? Okay, let's go get Uncle Richie.
What do you need? Awesome.